Hello guys, welcome to my channel Baja Tutorials. Today we're gonna see about variables. Without any time wasting, let's get into PyCharm, new Python file, variables. Now, moving further, there are three types of variables. One is string and another is integer. Oops. And another is floating point. Oops. Point number. Okay guys, in string there is alphabets like anything guys, like anything. I will take here as Baja. Okay guys, 12 and numbers guys. A string contains all alphabets and numbers but in double quotes. Now an integer, it consists only numbers without string. If we add a string, well, not string, that's double quotes, it becomes string guys. A number can be a string, okay, but if it should be a integer, then this double quotes should be removed. Okay, in floating point number, it's decimals guys, basically decimals or numbers dot numbers. Okay, now these were the three types of variables. So now how to assign or how to use variables. First you should take a string guys, and a string with starting alphabets. Okay, if you start with 12 and you cannot at all create a variable guys, see, it's not creating a variable, it's telling can't assign to literal. Okay, so this should be always like this. It can be used with numbers, but it should be starting with starting with alphabets. Okay, like this. Now I will take just A is equals 1, B is equals 2, C is equals 3. Okay, these are my three variables. Okay guys, so now I will take this. See how to this was assigning a variable guys. See, this will is equal to assigns 1 into A. Okay, so if I print A, okay, if I print A, see guys, 1. Why? Because A is assigned with 1. Okay, oops. Now you can do it with everything. Another use of this is, you can do like this, B plus C. This is basics use guys. There are many uses of variables, so this must be 6. See, 6. Okay, this was the basics use of variables. Now what are typecastings? Typecasting is a way to change the data types, which is this: strings, integers and floating point numbers are the data types or the types of variables. Okay, so how to change them? So if I, before starting with the typecasting, I will talk if I had a string here. Oops. Here and here. Hey. So this now gives 1, 2, 3. What it did is it took 1, added with 2 and 3. That's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, this collabed. Okay, if you add strings, that is what will happen. Okay, while doing inputs, always then see, I will not talk about that because it's not for now. So I will just talk how to change that. I will take an, this is done by methods like int str. What happened to me? Str, float. These are the three commands or codes of changing the data types. So this, if this is used, the any data type will change into integer. If this is used, then everything will change, anything will change into string. And this, and if float is used, this will change it into the floating point number. So let's use it, and let me use it and show you. So this, see, these all are in string, guys. So if I add a int here, int and a bracket, guys, this I don't know why, but PyCharm does not give an bracket over here. You should only put, okay. So this changed them into integer. So if I make that float, oops, why is my PyCharm slow? Hey, actually, why is that happening? Okay, guys, if I did like that, this shows me in decimal form also, because that's 0, it can't do anything. If I had 1.1 here, 1.2 here, 2.2 here, and 3.3, sorry, 3 here, then it had showed 6.6. But if I had done with integer, oops, thing has happened today. Int, this would surely give an error, guys, because this is in, but this will be in string, guys. In string, that would have been added, like just collaborated. Okay, guys, this was variables typecasting. This is up for today, guys. Thank you.